Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 59 from our basic parts. This will be for flat parts, and I think this shape is kind of like a lengthened semicircle, I would say, or maybe a semicircle and a rectangle combined. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and also have daily updates. Otherwise, if we head back into the program here, it looks like this will be our 7th shape we are going to be looking at. And I think this is also our last shape for the basic shapes. Then we get to finally move over to the intermediate shapes. Now the intermediate shapes are probably going to consist of about 3, maybe 4 different values. But it's mostly be 3 values. Now in order to add the last shape, we're going to go here to flat parts, and it happens to be the last shape on our list as well. So this is P59, as you guys can see there. Now if we open this, you will notice we've got 2 values here to choose from. In many ways you can say it's the height, V is the height and A is the width. So if we adjust this, we go to A, so let's make this 200 and maybe make the height 300. I'm going to just leave the name the same for the sake of these tutorials so we can quickly reference back to the shapes. So I'm going to say okay here, I have a preview if I like it. I'm just going to go with quantity 1, manual quantity, add, and now we have our shape here to our actual worksheet. And click this to add it. Put the part in, and now we have all our basic shapes. So we've got a circle, ring, rectangle, square, hexagon, we've got a semicircle, the form of pie you can say shape, and then the semicircle and rectangle mixed. Now from basic shapes, this is definitely what you're going to be using to construct a lot of your products perhaps, unless you're going to be working with custom things, and that is why I say perhaps. Now some of the more advanced shapes we're going to be looking at, or should I say intermediate shapes next, is a bit more complex type designs. So just a quick recap again, then on this shape, just go to flat parts and go right to the bottom to the last shape called P59. Otherwise, yeah, that is it on our basic shapes. Let's save our files, always a good practice. I'm going to go File, Save. Going to prompt me where to. I'm going to make sure my format is to nesting files, select the progress file and say save. Then so the files are saved, being saved correctly. And then yeah, with that selected, we can move on to the next series. But before that, if we head to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.